today we will discuss about unsupervised learning algorithms. This topic is very important for engineering students. If you have not subscribed, then press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning that involves discovering patterns in data without any explicit guidance or labeled examples. In unsupervised learning, the algorithms are given input data and tasked with finding hidden structure or relationships within that data. There are several types of unsupervised learning algorithms, including clustering. Clustering algorithms group together similar data points based on a set of criteria, such as distance or similarity. Common clustering algorithms include k-means, hierarchical clustering, and DBSCAN. Dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction algorithms transform high-dimensional data into a lower-dimensional space, while retaining as much information as possible. Principal component analysis, PCA, and TSNE are examples of popular dimensionality reduction algorithms. Association rule mining. Association rule mining algorithms discover patterns or relationships between variables in data, such as which items tend to be purchased together in a transaction. A priori and a growth are popular algorithms in this category. Anomaly detection. Anomaly detection algorithms identify outliers or anomalies in data that differ significantly from the majority of data points. Common anomaly detection algorithms include local outlier factor, LOF, and one-class support vector machines, SVM. Some examples of unsupervised learning algorithms include clustering. This involves grouping similar data points together into clusters based on some similarity metric. Examples of clustering algorithms include k-means clustering in hierarchical clustering. Dimensionality reduction. This involves reducing the number of features in a dataset while retaining as much information as possible. Examples of dimensionality reduction algorithms include principal component analysis, PCA, and T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding, TSNE. Association rule learning. This involves discovering relationships between variables in a dataset. Examples of association rule learning algorithms include a priori and a growth. Unsupervised learning can be used in a wide range of applications, including anomaly detection, data preprocessing, and exploratory data analysis. Unsupervised learning has many applications, such as clustering customer segments, reducing the dimensionality of data for visualization, discovering hidden patterns in genomic data, and detecting anomalies in financial transactions. Dear students, also comment us in which topic do you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching.